Hi, my name is Denise Gunn. I'm a teacher at University High School. I teach Family Consumer Science area. I teach Human Growth and Development and also Dollars and Cents. This year, Waco ISD hosted a program called Adult 101 at University High School. And basically Adult 101 is us helping to provide students with skills that they'll need in their adult life. That can mean even as early as college years. So some of the things that we did offer were budgeting skills, also helping them to learn how to cook on a budget, things like that. We wanted to make sure there was a variety of skills that we offered to them. We had several teachers that came in and out to teach different areas of the program. And we had many students that joined us, around 8 or so that joined us this year. And we had a blast. We had a lot of fun. There was a lot of hands-on activities that they did. We wanted to make sure that they were very engaged in the activities and that they were actually able to do them themselves and provide the skills that they could do when they were on their own.
So over the course of our Adult 101 class, we covered a variety of topics that spanned over the course of 2 weeks. So over those 2 weeks, we taught students about basic auto care, so like what to do when you have a flat tire, how to jump start a car, how to check your fluids. And then we went into things like basic first aid, so we had a paramedic come from AMR, and they taught home remedies, what to do if you get a cut, what happens if you get burned, when to know when to go to the hospital, when to know when to go to the doctor, how to perform CPR. We made DIY first aid kits that they're able to take home and use in their own daily life. We also had a cooking day, so basically how to make a meal on a budget, how to make a meal using just a microwave, and that was taught with our amazing Chef Ruark. We also did money management, so basic budgeting skills. So we taught them, like, you make this much per month, how are you going to budget all the expenses and necessities you need to pay for in life? The difference between a debit and a credit card. They now know how to sew on a button and how to tie a tie so they can be ready for their a job interview. We took them around the Waco Transit system, and we actually loaded the bus in front of the school, and we went down to the main station downtown in Waco, and they learned how the different route systems worked, and they got a map, so they now know how to take the Waco Transit system themselves. And we've actually had 2 students who have already done that so far, so that was really awesome. We had a DPS officer come in the last day and talk to them about what happens when you get pulled over, how to interact with a police officer, what to do, what not to do. And yeah, so we've had a lot of fun, and we hope that we provided them skills that they can use from here on out.
The kids have been great with this. They have learned so much, and the really great thing about it is that just like with this sewing, I've had them come up and say, Miss Gunn, could you please teach me how to sew up a hole in my sock? And so we've taught them how to do that, how to know, if they have a hole in an outfit or in something, a sock or something they want to continue to use, they have the skill now to be able to sew that sock up and to continue to use it, to repurpose it basically, and not have to go buy new ones. They've also responded great with the cooking. Also Waco Transit, they've learned how to get on the bus. We actually took them on the bus. So now we've had several students come up to us and say, we rode the bus yesterday. We went here and we went there, and we know how to do it now. We're confident in what we're doing. And that's really important, is that they feel confident, because sometimes it's very intimidating for students to just step out on their own and to try to do this for the first time on their own. So once you provide them with those skills, it really helps them to have that secure feeling and that confidence in knowing, okay, this is what I have to do.